Hi friends, welcome to this channel. And in today's video, I will show you and tell you how you can hide your Instagram post from someone without blocking the person. Please friends, subscribe to this channel, put your likes, also write comments after watching the video. And let us get started with you. And first of all, on your phone, open the Instagram app. Next you need to go to your profile. Then tap the top on the top of the three bars. Scroll through a little bit until you find this section right here, which is called Limited. Click on that. Next. And here you'll see lists of people that you've already restricted, or you can search for a person, type in their name. Then add. So the person will be added to the restricted, after which he will not be able to see your publications, but further you will be able to communicate with him, correspond, and also follow this person. Friends, this is the very simple way you can hide your Instagram postings from someone without blocking the person. I really hope this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Write your comments, put your likes, and see you soon.